You are a new YouTuber and you're wondering, how can I start making money on YouTube ASAP? You haven't gotten your 1,000 subscribers yet. You haven't gotten your 4,000 hours of watch time yet, but you still want to be making money on this platform. How can you achieve that? Very simple, guys. I will be sharing with you all in this video how you can make money even if you are just a small YouTuber on this YouTube platform. Before we go into it, you're welcome to the 10xpreneur. Here we create content on how to leverage on social media platforms to make money, how to build a profitable brand on social media. Now we're talking about how to make money from your YouTube channel even if you're just a small YouTuber. I mean, by small, I mean you're not yet monetize. Now the first method or the first system that will work perfectly fine for you is to start affiliate marketing. You may be asking, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a business model whereby you promote and advertise other people's products on your platform, and then when you get a sale, you earn a commission. A very typical example is this: you go on Jumia. We all know Jumia, right? Jumia is an e-commerce website in Nigeria and in most African countries. So once you go on Jumia, you search for products you want to talk about, products you want to, talk to your people about. When you get those products, you ensure that you get your affiliate link. And you cannot get your affiliate link unless you join their affiliate program. For the Jumia affiliate program, it is known as the Jumia KOL program. That's what their affiliate program is known as. So you join their affiliate program and then you get your unique affiliate link for the very product you want to promote, the product you want to talk about. So let me make this more practical. Let's say I want to promote this particular cup. Can you see this product I'm holding? I want to talk to you all about this product. I want you to go get this product because I have used it and it's a good product and it's available on Jumia. All I need to do is head over to the Jumia affiliate program right there. That's their KOL program. Register as an affiliate. Now once you register as an affiliate, you can then go to their official website, which is the jumia.com.ng if you're in Nigeria. Now you get this product and then get your unique affiliate link, so that when people buy this product, you earn a commission for it. You earn commissions up to 10% of the actual price of this product. Do you understand? Let's say this product is being sold for 30,000 naira. You can earn commission on this product up to 10% when people use your unique affiliate link to purchase that product. Now, there are two types of affiliate marketing. You can do the passive affiliate marketing or the active one. Now, the passive affiliate marketing is when you're just making your normal video and then at some point you just pause and promote a product. You just pause and tell people about a product. That product is not really related to the video you're making. Do you understand? So that is you promoting a product passively. Now for the other one, which is the active affiliate marketing, is when you're directly making a video specifically to market a particular product. Do you understand me? Let's say I'm making this video and I'm talking about this cup and I'm telling you all that if you want to get this cup, it's available on Jumia. I'm showing you all the different features, how to make use of this cup, why you need to get this cup and all that. I am making an active video purposely for this product, and at the same time I'm telling you all to use my link to go get this product. This is me promoting this product actively. Do you understand the difference between the passive affiliate marketing and then the active? Just as the name implies, passively, you're just doing it. You're creating your normal video and then in between you just slip in a short video or even just a picture about a particular product. You promote that product. People can actually go down. People that genuinely want to get that product, they can use your link, go ahead and get those products. And then the second one is when you're actively making a video purposely to promote a product, and at the same time you're asking people to use your affiliate link and get the product. So this active promoting tends to get more people to use your link. It tends to bring more traffic to your affiliate link, and you make lots of money when you actively promote a product. The second way by which you can make money as a growing, I don't want to use that word small, as a growing YouTuber is through selling of services. You can sell your services online. You can use YouTube to promote your service, to tell people about what you do. Let's say you're a graphic designer, or you are a video editor, or you are a videographer, anything, any form of service you do, right? You can tell people this is what you do. People can, from your videos, see your work, see that you're good. They can contact you, and that's how you start getting jobs. Do you understand me? That's how you start getting jobs. So many people have, through their YouTube videos, gotten loads of jobs worth millions of naira. You can equally do coaching and training services for people. Let's say you have knowledge, or you're knowledgeable on a particular subject matter. You can create a video around it and ask that people that are interested should send you a message. People that want to book your consultation, your one-on-one consultation or whatever, they can send you a message and they pay you for it. This is you making money aside from the YouTube partnership program. You can equally sell your own products. For instance, I sell bags. I have lots of customers from my channel that are buying bags from me. Do you understand? In fact, most of my wholesalers are from my YouTube channel, because I always talk about the product I sell. I always talk about bags. I always show my process. They trust to buy from me, and they are buying from me. So you can sell your product to your audience, and in fact you can use it as a means of promoting or advertising what you do, because you never can tell the video that will go viral. That video where you're talking about your service, or that video where you're talking about your products, can actually go viral, and from there you see yourself getting loads and loads of customers and making money. So these are different ways. I don't want this video to be lengthy at all. These are different ways that you can use to make money from YouTube as a YouTuber that is still growing. I mean, you're not even yet monetized. You're not even up to 1,000 subscribers yet, but you're already making money on the side. I always say this, that YouTube is a gateway to, it is like you opening a door. YouTube is that door you open. Once you are on YouTube, you can do anything. Once you're on YouTube, you can use that platform to advertise. Once you have the platform itself, just keep on growing. Don't be discouraged that, oh, I'm making video today, people are not watching, I'm posting videos, it's not getting view. You never can tell. Just keep upping your game, keep doing what you're doing, try to make it better. You never can tell the video that will blow up. You never can tell the video that will announce you. And once that video is up there, it is up there. Just be consistent. Look for other, that's why I made this video, look for other means by which you can be making money on the side as you're growing your channel. I explain affiliate marketing. If you want me to make more detailed video showing you how to join the Jumia affiliate program, not just Jumia, we have the Amazon affiliate program. For the Amazon affiliate program, you earn your commission in USD, you earn commissions in dollars, and Amazon is like almost all over the world. People buy things on Amazon, so you can actually join the Amazon affiliate program. If you're a Nigerian, you're a Ghanaian, you can join the Amazon affiliate program. It is known as the Amazon Associates program. So once you go to your browser, just type amazonassociates.com. You go through the process. It is very easy for you to sign up, join the affiliate program, and start promoting products you see on the Amazon platform. When people buy through your unique affiliate link, you earn commissions, and these commissions, once it is Amazon, you're getting your commission in dollars. You can use your PayPal account to get your money. You can use your Payoneer to get your money. You can use your domiciliary account to get your money. It is that simple. It is not difficult at all, because when you tell people, oh, you're earning in dollars, they'll be asking, how am I going to get my money out? There are different options. You can use Payoneer. Payoneer is very easy if you don't have PayPal. You can use Payoneer to get your money from the Amazon affiliate program. There are other things that you can do, guys. You can sell ebooks. You can sell ebooks on the Amazon KDP platform. That's the Amazon KDP platform. You can sell ebooks. You can sell books. You can sell, what is it called, journals. Designing journals are so easy. You can design journals using Canva. You can design prayer journals. You can design coloring books and post them on Amazon KDP. You make money from that. I mean, the money might not be big, but you're making something at the end of the day, something that you can use to buy data, you can use to buy your tools that you use for creating content. Do you understand me? So these are ways that you can use to make money on the side while creating content on YouTube. In fact, for some people, they make more money through affiliate marketing and through selling of their courses than they make from the YouTube partnership program. So what are we saying? There are different, diverse way for you to go into make money from it. Do you get me? So if you want more explanation on any of these I've explained, let me know in the comment, and I'll be so glad to do more elaborate video explaining them more in details. Hope you've got some value. I will see you in the next one.